Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2024 Polaris Ranger XP 1000 NORTHSTAR. Has the full hard cab, heater, wiper, winch. I'm going to say 60% tread on the tires. Has crank down window doors. Tilt-assist dump box. 8-ply tires all the way around. Adjustable driver's seat, 2- or 4-wheel drive with differential lock, or on-demand all-wheel drive, 535 engine hours, 5117 miles. I'm going to take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you got any questions, you can always call us at the dealership, 406-232-3300.